Access to electricity is strongly related to educational attainment. This is especially true in developing countries. A reliable power supply allows schools to conduct teaching and learning activities early in the morning or late in the evening, using computers and internet to improve learning quality, cook meals, and do other tasks. Installing a solar energy system assures reliable electricity supply and lowers a school's running expenses by limiting or even eliminating the need for a diesel backup generator. Megapower installed 40 kWp on-grid PV system with backup battery storage in 2 Gaza schools, with the support of Islamic Relief Worldwide. Quality components such as Canadian solar PV modules, SMA battery banks, and Infini solar PV hybrid inverters were employed in these installations. Contact Megapower for a free consultation with our engineers to develop a customized solar energy solution that will provide you reliable electricity, eliminate the negative impact of grid power supply interruptions, and reduce your operational costs by substituting or reducing the use of expensive diesel power backup generators.